Welcome to 4107 Desert Rose Court. This home has it all. A prime cul-de-sac lot, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with a primary suite on the main level. A grand 2-story great room with an open concept floor plan and tons of natural light. Freshly painted with a brand new roof and new HVAC system, this home is move-in ready. Don't forget to check out the gorgeous front porch. It is a full wraparound and the private fenced-in backyard, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Located in desirable Fort Mill School District, the Waterstone community amenities include a pool, playground, and sidewalks. Close to shops, dining, Lake Wylie, and major highways, this home is a must-see. Let me show you around.